What poppin' YouTube, man? We back with another video. Y'all see, I've been trying to drop POVs more consistently again. Right now, I just got done doing something. I can't tell y'all what I got done doing, but you know, actually I can tell y'all. I don't know what I'm talking about. Valentine's Day stuff, I just got done doing that. You know what I'm saying? Made a poster and jump. But now, I'm finna go ride. Make sure y'all give me a thumbs up on this video, man. Let's get this video to 100 likes, at least 5K views. Matter of fact, let's get 500 likes, 10K views. Y'all just share, repost, drop a comment in the comment section, and let me know what type of videos y'all want to see. I'm gonna probably give y'all a vlog tomorrow. We might go to Caffeine and Octane, so I'm gonna give y'all that vlog. And yeah, man, y'all folks stay tuned. We're gonna go ahead and put this in drive, and we're gonna go in sport, and that's gonna be that, man. Let's get up out of here. As y'all can see, I already changed my mind, and I don't went and put it in track instead of sport. But let's go. But that track over there is also. Kind of car that bitch slammed. Canceled. Y'all boy want to see a white Hellcat, a wide body Hellcat, red eye. I'm finna show y'all, man. We're gonna pull up on them real quick. That boy getting a haircut. Bro, y'all see this? Really 9.2 miles per gallon, and that's crazy. Like, I don't know why this car just so bad on gas. I don't understand why. Like, I only drive like this for the videos and this AI anyways, but I don't understand. Like, eco mode don't do nothing at all. I promise it don't. Only way eco mode really working is if you on the highway and it ain't no traffic at all. Other than that, but that bit not working for real. But that light need to come on, man, so I can show y'all that red eye. Hopefully he's still there. I don't know if he's still there, but if he's still there, I'm gonna show y'all that red eye. Now I got some power in that truck, don't he? I'll show y'all that red eye, man. Y'all folks stay tuned. I don't know if the red, y'all heard that pop? I don't know if the red eye still out here, but I'm finna go look, man. I know it's a that out here, and it's a SS right there. Y'all see that, man? Let's see if we can find that red eye real quick. Speed bump. I don't think that red eye here no more, man. Red eye gone, man. Yeah, man, I ain't gonna lie. The red eye not over here no more. But if we see the red eye later, man, I'll pick the video back up. But other than that, the video is over with, man. I appreciate y'all folks for liking. Thumbs up for me. 500 likes, 10K views. See y'all in the next one, man. Go on.